let's recap a little bit of what we did. So to solve equations, you guys came up with the fact that we're just going to do all the opposite operations in backwards order, right? So 2x minus 4, I have to peel the 4 away. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. 2x minus 4 plus 4 is gone. And then that's 14, right? So 2x is equal to 14. And now I have 2 times x, so the opposite of that is divided by 2. So x is 7, right? That's that. Let's see another one. What about 5 take away 3x is equal to 20? Okay, so again, I see the x here. I want to try to peel away everything that's not part of the x. So first, I have this 5 minus 3x. So this is like plus 5, right? So if I want to get rid of that plus 5, I'm going to subtract 5. Minus 3x is 15. All right? And then here, I'm multiplying. What am I multiplying by? Negative 3. So I'm going to divide by negative 3. So x is negative 5. Done and done. All right? What if it gets a little more spicy? What if we go this minus 3 times this is negative 13. Whew. All right, so first we have to make this simpler, right? Because it's complicated. So to simplify it, we have to use our simplifying strategy. So we can use the distributing property. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then negative 3 times x is minus 3x. And negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. All right? So there we have that. And now we can collect some like terms, because we can do that now, right? So 2x take away 3x, that's negative 1x. And then negative 8 minus 3 is minus 11. All right? So now I have negative x minus 11. This is kind of like what we had in the last question, right? So we got to get rid of minus 11. So we're going to add 11 to both sides. So negative 13 plus 11 is negative 2. And now I have that negative x is negative 2. So I got to figure out some way to find out just what x is. So either you know that because that's negative, x is going to be positive 2. But if you don't know that, you just divide by negative 1. Because this is like negative 1 times x. So you divide by negative 1. So negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2. All right. Okay, let's see what else can happen. Two x squared. What? Squared. And then divided by 5 plus 1 is 3. So, we have to try to get rid of all the things that aren't x. Right? So in the end, I just want x equals. Right? So I see this plus 1 here. Right? Remember what I said? Always imagine like there's brackets happening here. Right? So plus 1 we can get rid of by subtracting 1. That's going to go away. So I'll have 2x squared minus 8 over 5 is 3 minus 1, that's 2. All right? So now I have 2x squared minus 8 divided by 5. How do I get rid of divided by 5? We multiply by 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5. So times 5 divided by 5 goes away. I'm left with 2x squared minus 8 is 2 times 5, which is 10. All right, now we're getting close to just having x on its own, right? We're getting close. We're not there yet, but we're getting close. So I have 2x squared minus 8. So I got to get rid of that minus 8. So plus 8. Gone. 2x squared is 18. Super close, right? Now I have 2 times x squared. So I'll divide both sides by 2. And I get that x squared is 9. Right? And then the last thing was the opposite of square is square rooting. So square and square root cancel out. And I get x to the square root of 9, which is 3. All right? That is how we solve equations.